Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about cost and try cost function in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So in my last video I discussed about parse and try parse function. So let's see about the cost and try cost function. So it converts an expression from one data type to another data type. So here, so let's see by example. So right here, select. So right here, select, and here after let's key or try underscore cost. So about to try underscore cost, so it's a built-in function, and here try cost, so add here expression anywhere 4000, and here after data type and here length integer. So it has three parameters, and here two parameter is essential. So let's press enter. Now here after going to give in single quote 12, and here converting uh, 12 into integer, and here let's keep going. Now if you execute this query, so see at here 12 it's now converted into integer. Now let's copy this one. So let's see the example of cost function. So in place of try cost, just write cost. So at here it also return 12. So both or 12 is now converted into integer. Now the second example is at here. So at here this time going to use or try and here cost, and here let's change cost. Now let's execute this query. So at here I'm getting the message or 12. At here 12.5. So 12.5 is the at here decimal number. So it's now converted to integer. So that here it's returning 12. Try cost. And hereafter if I'm going to execute this query, so at here it's also returning 12. Now hereafter let's copy this one, and here let's give at here try cost, and here let's execute this one. So at here when I'm trying to convert xyz is the string value to integer, so at here I'm getting the error, I'm getting the value null. Now if let's copy that one, and here this time let's use cost operator only. Now let's execute. So see at here I'm getting the error message. So conversion failed when converting the varchar. So this is the varchar or varchar xyz to integer. So that means if you execute this query, so this query return null. But here cost function that return error. So this is the main difference between try cost and cost. Now hereafter let's copy, and here if you add here or let's this time give or 25.67, and here I'm going to convert this one into varchar. So let's execute that one. So now this is converted into varchar. So 25.67. So this is the integer. So now it's converted into the varchar. Now that you can do the same thing with add here cost operator. So let's paste that one, and here So see at 25.65, it's a returning. Now here after the next example is, let's check at here or select try cost and here let's give 25 and here as decimal. So I'm going to convert this one into decimal and here giving also by default it's here about the try cost, so it's and varchar data type and integer return. So in decimal I'm going to give only one. So decimal has two parameters, so precision and scale. So let's give only precision. Now if you execute this query, so at here it's returning null. But if you are going to use with or at here cost operator, so at here I'm getting the error message. So at a arithmetic overflow error converting into data type. So it's a arithmetic overflow because at here I've given the 25 and here I've given decimal 11 on 1 only. That's why I'm getting the this message arithmetic error. So if you give 11 at here, so this time it's a giving now I'm getting the output. But if you execute this query, so if so it won't fail. So whatever this situation it's come, so at here in place of giving error, so it's a returning null. So try cost returning null, but here cost is returning an error. So this is the difference at here. Now here after you can convert any string value into decimal also. So try cost and here let's give this one to a string 12. Now I'm going to convert this one into decimal and here let's give the precision 5 2. Now if you execute this query, so at I'm getting okay. So see at here it's since I have given the precision at here or 2, so that here this is the scale here precision and scale, so that here it's returning 12.00. If you give at here 4, let's execute, so it's a returning now null. But if you give at here copy and paste it, so here let's give, let's use this term or cost operator, cost function. So at here 12 and I'm trying to convert into decimal with at here, so this is the 5 4. Now let's execute that one. So it's returning the error. So arithmetic overflow error converting varchar to data type numeric. So this is the overflow error. So this is the things cost give the error, but try cost when the situation is not handled, so that give the null value. Now if you give at here, so at here it's returning 12.00. So this is the difference between cost and try cost in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Now here after let's take one more table or select a star from a student. So a student is my table and here this is the 20 and 30. Age has a numeric value and here this is a string value. So let's handle this kind of situation. So at here selecting or select emp number. Now here after e name, and here after or taking age column, and here after try into try cast, and here age. So age is a string tab, so this is now I'm going to convert into integer. Okay, and hereafter from table student. Now let's execute that one. So see at here of 43, no any problem, 34, no any problem. But to win that found at here 20, so it's a returning null. Because at here try cast trying to change or 20 into integer, but to this situation it's no its conversion is not happening, so that here it's a returning null. Now let's copy that things and you have to paste it down, and here this time let's give cost. So at here let's execute now. So at here when or at here I'm getting the error by using cost function. Conversion failed when converting and varchar value. So when that reach on or 20, so at here 20 cannot change into any integer tab, so that here I'm getting the error. So this is the difference between cost and try cost function in Microsoft SQL Server. So when the situation or failed by using try cost, so at here that return null. But when the situation failed by using cost, so it return null. So this is the things. So I hope that this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video.